What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we have a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of December. And December is a good month because we have all 3 boxes to unbox. And this one is so heavy. The shoebox looking one is very, very heavy. But we have the Boxycharm base box, Boxy Premium, and then of course, Miss Boxy Luxe for the month of December. And it literally is so heavy. So I'm very eager to see what is inside. If you guys are new to Boxycharm or my Boxycharm unboxings, it's basically a monthly subscription service where you get beauty products sent right to your door. Boxy Luxe though is a quarterly upgrade though, so it's a bigger box, you get more products, and they have it once a quarter. I want to thank Boxycharm so much for partnering with me on today's video and sending me these boxes to a review for you guys, and I cannot wait to dig into them. I'll have a link for you guys to check out Boxycharm in the description box if you want to check it out further, but without further ado, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads, and let's jump into this unboxing. And I actually have not seen any spoilers or anything for this month yet, so I'm excited because I don't know what's inside. Okay, so it looks like the theme is Gift of Glam. So you get this little pamphlet and it says all the information about the products. I don't really like to look at that. I like to be surprised. Right on top, I see this mud mask. This is the mineral infused double cleansing mask. Oh my God. Okay, this is actually really, really cool. So the brand on this is Mud Masky. And basically what it says is that you remove your makeup, put some water on your face, then you go in with this mask. You massage it onto your skin, then you leave it on your skin for a few minutes, and then you rinse with water and pat dry. So it replaces your nighttime cleanser. Definitely gonna give this a try. It says it's fragrance-free, pH balance, deep cleansing, and for sensitive skin. So I've never heard from this brand before, but I'm very excited to give it a try. The value on this is $59. Okay, up next we have Sophia and Maybell Highlight. Woo, you guys know I love highlighter. Okay, let's see. Cute little pink box. Ooh, okay, so for me, this would probably be a little too deep as a highlight, so I'll probably use this as an eyeshadow or maybe actually a blush topper. Oh, it feels really, really pretty. Actually, I mean, in the summer, maybe I could get away with this as a highlight. It's not too dark. I think in the winter, it'll be a little too dark though, but I'm gonna use it as a little blush topper and top my blush with it. And again, could also be used as a eyeshadow as well, but that looks pretty on my cheek, gives a little sheen to the cheeks because the blush I'm wearing today is pretty matte. So this actually looks really pretty. I like it as that, and I'll definitely continue to use it. So the value on this is $22. Up next, we have this Wish Vanilla Bean Lip Mask, Intense Overnight Hydration. Ooh, yes. My lips get so dry in the winter, so I have something on them every single night before I go to bed, but this lip mask seems pretty cool. Ooh, and it smells really good. Smells like vanilla. So you just put this on before you go to bed and it's supposed to intensely moisturize the lips. Excited to give this a try. And the value on this is $32. Up next, we have this Seraphim Botanicals Luna Liner. So it's a water-resistant liquid liner. Gotta get this little plasticky part off. And it looks like that. Very pigmented, and it's a pen top, so you can do a light little line or you can push it down and do a thicker line. So that's really cool, and I love waterproof liner so that it doesn't budge throughout the day. And the value on that is $18. And then last but not least, we have this Algenist, which I actually really like their skincare. This is the Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. Reduces the look of dark circles. Sounds good to me. So it's an eye cream. Says it can be used morning and night, and it just looks like this. Seems to be unscented for the most part. Very cool. I can always use an eye cream, and I have tried other skincare from this brand that I liked. I think I received it before in Boxycharm, and that's where I've tried it, but I use an eye cream every single day, so I will definitely get use out of that. And now there I am throwing it. Woo! Okay, the value on that is $68. So that is everything for the base box. Let's add it all up. Okay, so the eye balm was $68. The mud masky was $59. We got a lot of skincare actually in today's box, which I personally like. Because obviously if you guys watch me, you know I have a lot of makeup. I have a lot of skincare too, but I've definitely gotten a lot more into skincare in the past year and a half or so. So I do actually really like it and I use it. Up next we have the lip mask, which is $32. $22 for the powder highlight, and then $18 for the eye liner, for a total of $199. Okay, now let's move on to Miss Premium over here. Premium, interestingly, feels very light this month. I feel like Premium feels lighter than the base box did, but then the Luxe box feels really heavy, so let's see, because sometimes, good things come in small packages. That's what my mom would always say when I was little. Ooh, okay, right on top, I see these Alana Badro Luxury Sponge 2-packs. You get 2 different beauty sponges. If you know me, you know I'm a sponge type of gal. I blend, ooh, these are pretty big actually. I blend everything with a sponge. Oh, okay, cool. So you get one that's like the classic kind of dome sponge and then one that has a flat bottom. So you have both options. They feel really soft, so they feel actually really nice and like high quality. Not like the dollar store ones. If you guys have watched like my Dollar Tree videos, they're like little blocks, little cinder blocks on your face. These actually feel like really soft and nice. So love that, love sponges. So I will absolutely use these. I haven't heard of this brand before, but excited to try it. And the value on this is $34. Up next, we have this Biro. I hope I'm not mispronouncing that. I probably am. Fig Renewal Oil. Okay, so at first I actually thought this was perfume. Doesn't it kind of look like a perfume box? But it's not. So it's an oil, I guess, for your skin. Enhance your skin's hydration levels with a fresh, lightweight finishing oil that combines the power of fig, cica, ceramides, and a blend of red antioxidants for revitalized and rejuvenated skin. That sounds good to me. Ooh, oh my God, this even looks like a perfume. This is like bougie. This looks really cute. I like the packaging. I literally would totally mistake this for a perfume, but it just has like a little hole here. So you just put a little bit on your fingers and it says to apply this after cleansing and then you can use it before or after moisturizer. The value of this is $72. Wow, okay, so bougie bougie. Ooh, okay, up next we have this Bite Beauty Changemaker Supercharged Micellar Foundation. Very cool. Okay, so I got shade M65. I have never tried this Bite Beauty foundation. It says it has a skin-like finish and a medium coverage, which typically is what I like. This is what it looks like. Oh, I've definitely seen this, I feel like, but I've never personally tried it. I'll put a little on my hand so we can test it. Ooh, it feels really, really light, which I like. That's just like blended into my hand so seamlessly right there. So that shade should be good. Wow, and that feels really light. So I'm excited to check that out and try it. I know I like Bite Beauty's lippies, so very, very excited about this. The value on this is $44. Up next, we have the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Ooh. Oh, okay. I've actually tried this before from Stila. This is a really, really good mascara. It gives a lot of volume. That's what the little wand looks like for you guys to see. This is really nice. I always forget about Stila. Like, they make such good liquid lipsticks. Their eye toppers, this mascara, like they have a lot of really good products and I just feel like I forget about them sometimes. So I'm excited about this. Bring it back into my collection. It's been a while since I've used this. And the value on this is $23. Then we have this little Visart, which that's like a bougie brand. I really like their products. They're like geared, I think, a little bit more towards makeup artists. Like they're very well known in that like industry because they have really nice products. But this is a bronzer. It's like you like pull it out like this. Oh my gosh, this packaging is so cute. You like pull this open. Oh, this is nice. There's a little mirror in here too. Like this would be great for your purse. Like you just have everything you need. You close it up like this, open it on up. You have your little mirror, your bronzer, everything. All right, let's go into some of this. I'll add a little extra bronze. I have kind of a lot of bronzer on already, but you can always use a little extra. This shade looks like it'll be good. And it doesn't look like it has like glitter or shimmer or anything in it. So you could use this as an all over bronzer for your face, or you could use it like I just did to contour out your cheeks. Either way it can be used, which is nice. This is very nice. And I like the packaging on this a lot. It's really cute. And I feel like super cute to just throw in your bag, and you can even keep this if you want to. Pop it in there. The value on this is $30. And then last but certainly not least, we got this little lip liner set, which I love. I love lip liners. I feel like I can never have enough. So let's open this up and see. Got two different ones. Looks like they're kind of similar in color. This is from the brand Evio Beauty. There's a lighter one. Ooh, that's actually beautiful. That's like the kind of like lip color that I really like those mauve pinks. That's really, really pretty. And then there's a bit of a deeper one that's more of like a berry toned. Oh wow, these are actually beautiful and very creamy. And I feel like in the packaging, I thought they were gonna be much more similar, but they're actually very different. So you could use both of these for completely different looks and get a lot of use out of them. So that's really, really nice. And the value on that is $24. All right, so that was everything in premium. So let's add it all up. We have $44 for the foundation, $72 for the renewal oil, $23 for the mascara, $30 for the bronzer, $34 for the sponges, and then $24 for the lip liners for a grand total of $227 for this month's premium. All right, now last but certainly not least, let's see what is inside of this month's Boxy Luxe and why is it so heavy? All right, I need to know. Ooh, okay, so the theme is Winter Luxe. All right, right on top, I see this Ofra On The Glow highlighting and bronzing palette. I believe I have this. Do I have this? Yes. Okay, this is really pretty. I do actually already own this, but this has a mix of highlights, bronzers. This one even has like a little bit of a blush in it. Very, very pretty. I'm gonna keep this little clear plastic on because since I do already own this, I would love to be able to give it away to one of you guys. So just comment down below what you're most excited about for the month of December. Like, do you have anything special for the holidays going on or just something completely different that's going on in December that you're excited for? Just let me know that down below. And I'll randomly just pick one of you and send this out to you because I already own it, so I don't need another. So just comment that down below and just wait for me to be able to get in contact with you and I'll just pick one of you and send this out to you. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm really, really excited about this because I actually really, okay, wait, I'm really excited. So I actually heard Jaclyn Hill talking about this brand Kish, which I've actually tried stuff from them before in the past. And they have like really cute, like different accessories and stuff on their website. And I was looking at it literally the other day because I'm a big satin pillowcase gal. I use different pillowcases on my bed than I do for like my regular sheets. I always use satin pillowcases because it's better for your hair and your skin and stuff. But this is the satin sleep set. So I thought at first it was just a scrunchie and an eye mask, but it's also a pillowcase. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I'm actually very excited about this because I was literally about to order from the website yesterday. I mean, I probably still will order, but okay, so you get a scrunchie, which I always use silk scrunchies. They're a lot gentler on the hair. They don't get all like tangled and stuff. So absolutely love this, and it's white. So I feel like I could use it with anything. Little sleep mask. These are great for like planes or your house, whatever. And it is adjustable, which is nice. Some of them aren't adjustable and they like squeeze my head. I kind of have a big head, if you guys can see, but this is super cute. And then the pillowcase. Oh, it feels really nice too. Oh my gosh, love this. Yay. Okay, I'm so excited. If you guys have not started using satin pillowcases, I would highly recommend. It really does make a difference, I think, for your hair and your skin and stuff. So I'm very, very happy about this. Like even my husband uses one. Yay! Okay, that was really exciting. And sorry, I got so excited. I forgot to tell you guys the value. So the value on the Ofra palette is $149. So high value, but it is because you are getting 6, I believe, full size products in there. And then the Kish sleep set is $36. All right, let's see what's next. We have the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. Detoxifies, purifies, and regenerates. That sounds like what I need. I've had a lot of acne recently. So this is supposed to retreat congested skin. So this is what it looks like. You leave it on for 30 minutes and then, oh, you peel it off. So it's a peel off mask. Very cool. Oh my gosh. It's like really dark. I went to like open this just to see. Wow. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, yeah, it's like super, super dark. This is cool. I feel like this is one of those masks you see on like TikTok or something. Ooh, it feels like a jelly. So you just like put this on your skin, let it sit, and then you peel it off after 30 minutes. I'm definitely gonna try this like literally tonight. And the value on that is $69. Okay, up next we have this Kate Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. Okay, so I guess this is a moisturizer. Okay, and it has 15% stable form of vitamin C, which is good. Well, I'm excited to try this. I use vitamin C like in my skincare routine every day, like during the day. Ooh, I like can't get this out of here. This is what it looks like. I always use like a vitamin C serum, but having it mixed into your moisturizer is easy. Ooh, has like a really fresh scent to it, not super overpowering. Doesn't smell like oranges, which I feel like most vitamin C products do. So I actually kind of appreciate that. So I'm excited about this. This is $116. Dang. So she bougie. Definitely gonna try this out. Then we have the One Size Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. I have gone through like 3 or 4 bottles of this, and then I don't know, I was trying like other products recently and I haven't repurchased. This is really good. This, you can spray it directly on your face, but what I like to do is I just spray it on my hands. I kind of rub them together and then rub them on my face, and it's like a cleansing balm, but it does really, really work to get your makeup off. And then I use this and then I go in with like a regular cleanser. So that's really exciting. I love this. This is Patrick Starr's brand. And I went through quite a few of these bottles when it first came out, and I'm excited to have it back again. So the value on this is $24. Then we have this Pure Fully Charged Mascara. So I'm pretty sure this is like a magnet mascara, and I like Pure's products. Yeah, okay, so it has a magnetic polymer matrix that instantly lifts, separates, and defined for unparalleled performance. Sounds good. It says it also helps to condition and strengthen eyelashes to prevent premature lash loss. So sounds very good, and this is $22. Then we have a Persona eyeliner. It's just in this little packaging here. Okay, the pencil itself is brown, but it says black is the color, so it's just like a black liner. Ooh, very creamy and pigmented. Okay, love that. It says it's 24-hour waterproof, which is really nice. Actually could use some additional liner in my waterline. Ooh, yeah, this works good. Very pigmented. There we go. And the value on this is $14. And then last but certainly not least, we have this La Rousse. I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like a water bottle, but it's not. Cute. How do I open this? I don't want to break it. Oh, wait, it says it's a brush set, so this must open. Oh, there we go. Okay, got it. Ooh, so we got a little brush set. Wait, this is actually really cute because you could totally use these as like little containers, like for the brushes, like on your vanity, like put them like this. But you get 5 different brushes. I'm gonna take them all out of the packaging. It's nice because it's a mix of face and eye brushes. So you have like a flat top brush like this for your eye, fluffy blending brush, which is great for the crease, a smaller little denser brush for detail, and then a angled brush. You could use this for blush, bronzer, anything like that, and then dual fiber, which this you could use for foundation or blush, bronzer. I love these kind of brushes for bronzer specifically because it kind of makes it a little lighter and diffuses the product better, but really nice. These all feel very soft, so excited to use these. And you get this cute little addition where you can like add it to your vanity. And the value on those are $50. So let's add up the values of everything. So we have $149 for the Ofra palette. We have $36 for the Kish set. We have $116 for the vitamin C face cream, $69 for the treatment mask, $50 for the brush set, $24 for the makeup dissolving mist, $22 for the pure mascara, and $14 for the eyeliner, for a total of $480. So obviously definitely by far the most highest value box. I did probably like Luxe best this month. Let me know your thoughts down below. Which box did you think was best? Also let me know if you guys got your boxes yet, what you got. I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.